How to fix mobile data not working on Android 2025. If your mobile data is on but nothing loads, or apps keep saying no internet, this quick guide will fix it. I'm using a Google Pixel 7, but on some Android phones, the menus may look a little different. Step 1. Check Quick Settings. Pull down from the top of the screen twice to open Quick Settings. Make sure mobile data is on and airplane mode is off. Tap the mobile data icon. Tap mobile data off once, then turn it back on to refresh the connection. Step 2. Check SIM and mobile network. Open Settings and tap Network and Internet. On a Pixel, tap SIMs. On other phones, this may be called Mobile Network or SIM cards and mobile networks. Make sure mobile data is on for your active SIM. If you use two SIMs, check that the correct one is set as your data SIM. Step 3. Check Data. Usage or data limit. In the same menu, tap your data network. Tap App Data Usage. Check if you've hit a data limit or cap. If your limit is reached, you'll need to top up or extend your plan with your carrier. Step 4. Turn off Data Saver. Go back to Network and Internet. Tap Data Saver. If Data Saver is turned on, switch it off and test again. Data Saver can block some apps in the background and make it look like mobile data is not working. Step 5. Reset Network Settings. If mobile data still isn't working, open Settings and scroll down to System. Tap Reset Options. Choose Reset Mobile Network Settings or Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, depending on what your phone shows. Tap Reset to confirm. This clears saved network settings, but it won't delete your apps or photos. Step 6. Test mobile data again. After the reset, go back to Network and Internet. Make sure mobile data is on again. Open Chrome or YouTube and test if pages load over mobile data. Step 7. Check the SIM with your carrier. If your SIM works in another phone, but not in this one, contact your carrier for help with this device. If the SIM doesn't work in any phone, you probably need a replacement SIM. Your mobile data should now be working on Android. If this helped, subscribe for more quick Android fixes.